Namaste, myself Ravi Goel, or I'm starting with my first OER video, and in this video I'm going to start with the connectivity of NetBeans with MySQL. And in this video, first of all, we all are aware about NetBeans. This is our NetBeans, and this is my MySQL. I am already started with the MySQL, and I'm having a database with the name of TP, and I have already created a table with the name of product, and my contents are ready with you. So for your work is that in this first week of course, first you have to try to create a table with this structure. I will show you the structure of table also. You just try this structure also, create a table, and without entering any number of records. Now this is my NetBeans. In the NetBeans, what I have to do, I am ready with my project. I have created a project with the name of connectivity. In this connectivity project, I am having a frame with the name of Connect MySQL Java. In this frame, I have already created all. Now, what you have to do, I have started with the coding part. These are the for my labels, my text fields, 2 radio buttons, 4 checkboxes, and few buttons. First of all, for the connectivity, what you have to need, you have to start with the libraries. So click on library, right click on it, add library, and then you have to add the library called MySQL JDBC. It's over here, add library. Now you find a library over here, and then we start with the coding part. So I am starting with the coding part from the insert block. As we all know that in the coding, I have already done all the coding part, but the coding part of connectivity is totally done in the block try, and the another block is called catch. Both the block should be with each other. First of all, for the coding part, you have to write these 2 lines. They are very important lines. Just go through the lines. In the first line, we are going to connect the SQL with the Java with the help of the class and the driver manager, and in the second, we are using the second class called connection with the object con, and writing this command in this 3306 is your server ID, TP is my database name, and root is the user ID of MySQL, and my MySQL doesn't have any password, so there is no password over here. First we start with this, that if I run this code and it doesn't give me an error, that means my coding is right. So I start with my coding, run file, I click on insert, it doesn't give me error, that means my first part is clear. So this is my first lesson to you. Do this, and then I will back you in the next lesson in the week 2 part. Okay, thank you. Namaste.